Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this very easy heart. It's perfect for beginners and let's get straight into it. I'm going to be using a 4mm crochet hook, 4mm red acrylic yarn, a tapestry needle, and scissors. So you take the very end of your yarn and you wrap it around your two fingers so that it makes a crisscross shape. You grab your hook, you place it underneath the first tail and over the second. You turn the hook around. Okay, now we're just gonna chain one. So put the yarn over and pull your hook through the loop, and there's your first chain. Now we're going to do one more chain. So yarn over and pull through the loop. Now you have two chains. Now we're gonna treble crochet. So for a treble crochet, you yarn over twice. So you have 3 loops on your hook. You insert your hook inside the circle. You yarn over and you take your hook out of the circle. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops. Then you yarn over one more time and you pull through the last 2 loops. Now you have just made 1 treble crochet. We're gonna have to make 2 more treble crochets, so that's 3 in total. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into the circle, yarn over, take your hook out of the circle, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's your second treble crochet done. And do the exact same thing for your third treble crochet. Now you should have 3 treble crochets on your magic circle. We're now gonna make 3 double crochets. So to make a double crochet, you yarn over only once, and same as before, you insert your hook into the circle, yarn over, you take the hook out of the circle. There should be 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2. That's 1 double crochet. Now you just need to make 2 more. So yarn over, insert your hook into the circle, yarn over, you get out of the circle, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. And I'll do the exact same thing for your last double crochet. So we have just completed the first half of our heart. If it doesn't look like one yet, don't worry. Right now our circle is upside down. So what I'm pointing at right now, that's the bottom of the circle. And this is the right way up. So you can kind of see the left half forming there. So now we're just gonna make the very bottom pointy part of the heart. So to do that, you're gonna just chain 1 and you're gonna make 1 treble crochet. It's the exact same thing you did in the beginning of the video. So you just yarn over twice, you insert the hook into the circle, yarn over, you get out of the circle, you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, you pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. And that's just 1 treble crochet. Now chain 1, just 1 more time. And now you have exactly half of your heart completed. So to make the second half, you're basically going to do the exact same thing you just did, so in reverse. So we started off with 3 treble crochets, then 3 double crochets. Now we're going to do 3 double crochets and 3 treble crochets. So we're starting off with 3 double crochets, so yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, get out of the circle, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's our first double crochet finished. Now make 2 more double crochets. That's our second double crochet done. Now I'm starting my third. Now we have just completed our 3 double crochets. To finish off, make 3 more treble crochets. That's our first treble crochet done, and I'm starting my second. That's our second treble crochet done. Now we're doing our last treble crochet. That's our last treble crochet finished. Now you're gonna notice a big hole in the middle, and don't worry, this is completely normal. This is completely part of the whole magic circle crochet part. And this tail that's sticking out at the end, the one that's not attached to your ball of yarn, you have to pull on it, and the circle is gonna close, and now it's gonna resemble a heart more. To add in the last touches, you're gonna have to make a slip knot, and to do that, insert your hook into the circle 1 more time, yarn over. You're gonna have 2 loops on your hook, and the loop that you just pulled through the hole, pull it through 1 more time, and that's your slip knot finished. If you still feel like the hole is a bit too big, you can always adjust it and pull on the same piece of yarn again. We're now gonna finish off the heart by fastening off. To do this, you chain 1. Get some scissors and cut the yarn off, but leave a few centimeters just in case. Insert your hook back into the loop and just push your hook upwards. Pull on the tail again, and this should stop from the project unraveling itself. And there's your heart finished. If you're wondering at the 2 tails left behind at the back, you can either tie them into a knot and then cut off the remaining pieces, but if you prefer a more finished and clean look, you can weave them in with a tapestry needle. So when weaving in, we have to make sure that we are weaving in onto the back of the piece, not the front. So the back of the piece is where the leftover tails are basically sticking out from. So you can pick either tail, it doesn't matter, and you insert the yarn through the loop in your tapestry needle. Now you're gonna insert the needle only into the back of the piece, and when I say the back, don't stab the needle through the heart, but instead make sure to kind of wiggle it around the piece so that when you turn it around you can't see the needle at all. So it's only really in the back loops of the heart, and just pull it through. If you want to make it extra secure, you can weave it in again. Now cut off the remaining yarn, and that's how you weave in remaining yarn hanging from the piece. And you can do the exact same thing to the second tail that's sticking out. And now you should have your finished heart. Thank you very much for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe.